This video is not clickbait. It's about a legitimate security concern that I came across quite by accident as a Schwab customer, and I wanted to let others know about it. Schwab has this thing called a security guarantee, and if you search for it and go to the page that comes up for the security guarantee, it says that Schwab will cover losses in any of your Schwab accounts due to unauthorized activity. And that sounds great. But there's a huge exception to it. If you come down here to this third bullet point, does the guarantee apply to my account if I use an application like computer software or an app? The answer is a big no. It does not apply. So you may not think that that applies to you, but if you've ever used tax software or financial software like Quicken, it does apply to you. And the huge security concern is once you pull your information in from tax software, when you do that, Schwab creates a permanent, and I mean permanent, link into your account from that software company. In the case of TurboTax, it's Intuit. And you need to manually go in and disable this. They don't tell you that they're going to do that. They don't warn you that they're going to do that. They just do it, and it's left there. And if you don't look, you'll never find it. So what you need to do is log into your Schwab account, come over here to the search icon and click on that and search for security settings. And click on this account security settings. The top link that comes up, security settings, click on that. Then come down here to linked apps and websites. And here it will list all of the sites that you have links to. Notice here that Intuit is in my account. I never added this myself. I never would have added this myself, but it's here. You click on that arrow next to the name, and here are the check boxes, and these will be checked by default for every account that you pulled information from. You need to uncheck these and click on the Save button. And as far as I know, there's no way to get rid of this Intuit entry. I have not called them to ask them about it, but it does not go away. It's permanent. So you may want to check this for yourself. So the reason that Schwab put that exception in their security guarantee is because third-party companies that have links into your account can get hacked and can be used as a transit into your account. If your funds were not at risk due to this account linking, they would not have put that exception in there. Intuit TurboTax data was breached sometime between December 2023 and February 2024. Intuit was not very forthcoming with the details of that breach, which resulted in the lawsuit that you see here. I have a Schwab trading account and I have a Schwab IRA account, and all I did was use TurboTax to import the data from those accounts into the tax software. I never explicitly created a permanent link into my Schwab account. Schwab did that without letting me know, and it's just by accident that I found out about it. And it's not just Intuit and TurboTax Any company that you allow access to your account puts your account at risk. As I said, if it didn't put your account at risk, Schwab wouldn't put that exception into their security guarantee. So you want to protect yourself. If you're surprised that Schwab would do something like this, don't be. Schwab security is in the dark ages. I'm recording this in November of 2025, and Schwab users are complaining about their lack of two-factor authentication support. I've got another video about that called Schwab's Account Security Sucks, and I'll put a link to it down in the description and up in the upper right-hand corner. Unfortunately, if you're a Schwab customer, you have to take your security into your own hands.